want Keisha for them to recognize that we're not settling either. We want them to believe that 100,000 is nothing. We want to be doing a million Jamaican dollars a month. That's really what I'm teaching people to do. Anywhere from US dollars a day. Yes. Let's break it down, right? So since we're on the money classroom, we'll get into it because Keisha, what I found is a lot of people, they're afraid of the calculator. They're afraid of numbers. They're afraid to work out. They're afraid to set goals. So I'm going to say this to you, right? I've broken it down for you guys. To make a million Jamaican dollars a month is not hard. That's 222 US dollars a day. Let me repeat that. To make a million Jamaican dollars a month in 30 days, that's 6,660 US dollars a month, which is a million Jamaican dollars a month. All it needs is that you need to find a product that you can sell to make 100% profit, 222 US dollars a day.